Hello and welcome to another modelling video. This is Alan from the Mokanaman at YouTube with a very quick vlog of events and roughly what's going on. Pretty busy and doing my best to squeeze this in 5 minutes before I run out, but hey, it is what it is. Events wise, it's completely definitely shook up and different from this year. Model Expo, June 9th to 11th, 2 weeks from now. The aim for that one is to have the Providence finished and on display in the competition. It is not designed to be competitive or winning, but just to showcase what I like and a bunch of stuff I've done to it, as well as reflecting the sort of content, tutorials, tools and whatnot used on this channel. Most importantly for Model Expo, the Salt Mine Hobby Shop has a whole booth and I'll be retailing my full line of kits, tools and whatnot. So if you're in Australia, you're able to go to Model Expo, come say hi, pay a visit. Everything sold there is fundraising for the big garage kit project. I've even got a custom apron made, so it's the whole retail thing. When I'm in some sort of workshop or retail capacity at events, it's going to be this on, so it'll be very easy to be spotted. In July 14th to 15th is the Australian Gunpla Builders World Cup at the Sydney Exhibition Centre near the city during the anime convention Smash. If you are competing, you need to have pre-registered, as well as look at the details on Gunpla Builders Australia and appear on site on the Friday, day before, to enter and go through all of that. I wish everyone entering the best of luck. I'm unfortunately unable to enter due to financial and social reasons, though we'll see what next year holds or some sort of future. I bet a lot of activities as well as workshops and whatnot has been planned, so that should be quite the fun and enjoyable event. Now the big one for me is August 11th and 12th, Animanga at the Royal Melbourne Exhibition Centre. There's going to be a Gunpla workshop. There will be a little retail outlet by the Salt Mine Hobby Shop. Pretty much tutorials, tools will be on offer, as well as a competition. It's more of the realm of the Orozaku Championship rule set. Everything is on the Animanga website and the other links will be down below. I'll be personally in attendance, so really look forward to seeing everyone there. Bring in a video model, say hi, bring in some tools, have a bit of a play, a bit of a build. There's going to be a lot of people there, so it's going to be a fantastic event, standalone, and it's just its own entity in Melbourne. So that's going to be absolutely awesome. In the way of the fundraiser, just quickly, I've done very well in the last month or so. I don't have a lot to go with Model Expo. That should definitely smash the final goal with the amount of stock will be available, as well as the time and contact with modelers I will have. Once the Providence is finished, I'm free to pursue other projects. I've got a few garage kits, some Star Wars kits, a few Gundam models. Models are going to be less ambitious. I'll be spending a lot of time doing CAD work. So that's going to be absolutely fantastic. And the final event is Bayonet, 12th, oh, sorry, not 12th, November. Now, it is not confirmed or announced it'll be on this year or not. The announcement will occur during Model Expo. I sincerely hope it does occur. I love going to that event. It's one of my most fun and favourite events to attend. If it does go ahead, I'll put a post in Facebook and some other areas. If not, don't worry. In the way of social media, all of my analytics are doing very well on YouTube, getting appropriate views, all that, no strikes. The channel's very safe, very stable. I'm going to be there for a very long time, so I'm glad the issues I've been having with some individuals have not been targeting that. Things have quietened up on Facebook. I'm not getting flagged as often, even though it's just recently happened, though there's no damage or danger of that being taken down. I've put in processes to make sure that if I am deleted personally, I've got other friends that are administrators that can keep the account up and available until I make another profile, another presence, and I can take over the salt mines and mokanaman public pages again. Starting to pick up traction on Tumblr. I'm just going to post everything there, sort of like Facebook, finished models, work in progresses, videos. Pinterest has been a very interesting social media, as I like how it is used for research, references, all that sort of thing, or work in progresses, events. I'm just going to put everything on that one. It's just a very fun and very active media for scale modelling. Really useful. I suggest starting an account and just pinning stuff and having a look, especially for military models. You do tanks and all that, got to check it out. Anywho, that's all of it. Also, probably the last one is Thingiverse. I might make a few bits and pieces for people to 3D print and model there. Get into a little free model building there. That is a lot of fun, and always been a bit popular there as well. So we'll catch you guys later. Thank you very much for your support, your comments of encouragement. Things are going very well in the past few months, and we'll see how all the projects and everything gather together. After Model Expo, expect a video updating on the injection molding garage kit project. Catch you guys later, and see you next time.